Hi, it's Birdie. Welcome back. We were on a bit of a quest to replace Miss Rosemary this week, and it took us to a different sort of shopping experience, and we wanted to take you along. I went in for the Rosemary, but I stayed for the deals. One of the deals was chicken, 69 cents a pound for chicken leg quarters, but you had to get 40 pounds, and if you've seen my freezer, you know we do not have room for that kind of meat purchase. But it was a great deal. There are a lot of different and beautiful plants and flowers to look at. They were all very tempting. I did restrain myself this trip, but some really caught my eye. Chocolate mint sounds interesting. The bees were getting their nourishment, so I guess it was time to shop for some food. Here's our grocery haul for this week. Sort of a hidden gem, high quality country market with some great deals. And one of the problems with going to that kind of place is there's goodies there. Always the goodies. But I went after something to replace Miss Rosemary plant. Poor Rosemary, I don't think she made it. And this is supposed to be the most hardy variety. That's what it was, so we'll try again this year. And I will insulate it better over the winter or dig it up and bring it inside. We found some russet potatoes, blackberries, strawberries, good deal on butter. The treats, of course, Pappy picked out an apple pie, and I have this mini strawberry rhubarb. Pappy got some chocolate milk, and I got some half and half. And I don't know if you know anything about A2, but that's what this milk is from this particular creamery that it was from. So we'll look at the receipt. And for this week, we have $26.67. Today, I'm starting some more seeds. I have peppers, tomatoes, and some herbs, celery that I've never grown before, and I guess I'm a little late on that, but I'm gonna just do a couple plants, maybe a few, for a reason I'll talk about here in a little bit. I'm a little late too with these, but I don't like them to get too big. I don't have an actual greenhouse. I have a little grow light system. So I would rather them catch up outdoors than be too big indoors, if that makes sense. But I have this new variety I've never tried before. It's a pink ox heart paste tomato. So we'll see how that goes. I also have Brandywine. It's a favorite of mine. I'm probably going to grow up 2 plants of those. They're pretty big plants, and I'm limited with space, but for a family of 2, that's probably going to be fine if they act like they did last year. And I have some Cherokee purple, and Pappy likes those, and I guess they give a better flavor to salsa. We're gonna try to preserve some salsa this year. So that's it for the tomatoes. Peppers. I'm gonna do this bell pepper. It's a Keystone resistant giant. They look nice. Some lunchbox mix for Pappy. Some jalapenos for me. We like to stuff them with cream cheese, wrap them with bacon. He likes to do that with the more colorful, sweeter peppers. Some Jimmy Nardellos. That's different. Have never grown one of these before, so I'm gonna try 2 plants, test it out. And Pappy picked out these black Hungarian. They looked intriguing to him, and we're gonna do 3 of those. I do have a bed set aside just for peppers. I have some seed starting mix, my little flat here, and another one, and I have to find a tray for my last one. We'll talk about the celery seeds. Oh, first I have these herbs: parsley, basil, and marjoram. I'm gonna try those. And then the celery is pelleted seed. And I did not realize that if you buy pelleted seed, that is for the year you buy it. A lot of seeds will last, but pelleting the seeds does something to it to make it draw in moisture, and they don't last great to the next year. I've had tomato seeds for years and years and they still germinated and everything was fine, but I guess these, and there's 300 seeds in here, I'm just new to the pelleted seed. I've never seen it before, but I'm gonna try some just to see how it goes. I guess this is one of the easier varieties to grow. If I get anything from it, hey, that'll be a win. I don't think the packet was that much. It's a stalk. It's worth a stalk of celery. So if I get 3 stalks, I've already tripled my money, right? I'm not mathing today, so don't laugh. My soil has settled a bit, so I think I'm going to go outside today, just a little bit later, and top off these pots. So later today, we'll plant some seeds. In the meantime, we can look at how the other seeds are coming. We have onions, and I guess they're getting ready for a trim here pretty soon. Some nasturtium, some cabbage plants, marigolds, and Shasta daisies in there. It's so nice out today. Last time I did seeds, I had to do it in the house. These brandywine seeds are 2020. Do you think that they'll germinate? If not, I have newer ones, but I want to see, so I'm going to use these up to see how many germinate. I only need 2 plants. Best of luck. The Cherokee Purple are brand new, so there shouldn't be any problem. The Cherokee Purple came with this inside. That's cute. They look delicious. I can almost taste them. Coming up on Birdie Saves, more money-saving, fresh, high-protein meals, a new, unfiltered day in the life with plenty of tips, and more.